Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your weekly screencast video. So, you might want to pay close attention to the due dates. There seemed to be some sort of a discrepancy in Canvas on the due dates. I have made some adjustments. So, this week we do have discussion board numbers 7 and 8 due, moving away from the introduction and the theories of intelligence post. We are moving into chapter one and chapter one will focus on selecting a topic for your research project to carry you through the rest of this semester. So this week, like I said, it's discussion board 7 and 8. Discussion board, let me get there, is 1.1 exercise. In chapter 1, it's pretty straightforward exercise there. Okay, you might want to complete some steps in a document. You can turn around and just transfer that information over to the um, discussion board text box, right? So that should be an easy step there. And then also, let me get to the next one. Exercise 1.4 is you'll work through some steps 1 through 4 and hopefully start putting together some fast writing and some thinking about a proposal propo- a topic for your research proposal. Sorry about that. Discussion board number 8, exercise 1.4, as I say, here's a brainstorming activity. So a read through those particular discussion board posts, and then we'll move on to responses that will be due on, let me get back there, on Sunday, I believe, is when the responses will be due. And then next week, we'll be working on the actual research proposal. If you want to look ahead in chapter 1, exercise 1.5 is the formal research proposal, which will be due next week. Look for the lecture video about midweek. We'll talk a little bit more about chapter 1 and selecting those research topics. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.